We have taken chicken fried rice and chicken Manchurian kind of a thing, and it costed us total 17 euros. We are heading towards Louvre Museum now because we already have our tickets. We'll go there and then we'll come back, get freshen up, and we'll sleep. We are very tired and I don't think we can handle much of those stairs right now. So we will be taking a metro from here. It's just one metro, thankfully. This metro station is called Nation. Yes. This is the metro where we are going. Looking like a dark tunnel. This area is a bit eerie. We are waiting for the train. So we did not take a metro. We took a train because the ticket that we bought in the morning that is valid throughout the day. Only on 𝐼𝐸 train lines. Don't even think about wearing heels here. Paris is full of cobblestones. Thankfully, I'm wearing boots.
The Louvre Museum was open to the public in 1793, where everyone was given free accessibility for 3 days a week only. By the way, did you know that there is another Louvre Museum in Abu Dhabi which actually runs under a signed agreement between UAE and France that allows it to use the name Louvre till 2037. Interesting. If you want to enter the museum, you need to pay 22 euros per adult. I have given the link in the description from where you can buy the tickets. You can also get the tickets offline, but be prepared to stand in the long queue. This pyramid has 603 diamond-shaped and 70 triangular glass segments with a height of 21 meters. It is made up of steel and aluminium. Visitors just can't resist themselves from clicking a picture in front of this beautiful structure. You can also choose a professional photographer for a photo session in front of this beautiful pyramid. We all know that Louvre Museum is very famous for the painting Mona Lisa, but there are 9 other sections inside the museum, and those are Egyptian antiquities, Greek antiquities, Etruscan and Roman antiquities, paintings, sculptures, decorative arts, prints and drawings, Islamic art, and now Byzantine and Eastern Christian art. The museum is massive and you might get confused while navigating. So what you can do is, you can download the museum map from their website, which is available in 7 different languages, and you can find their website in the description below, or you can also get the map on site. The museum remains closed on Tuesdays, but rest of the days you can enjoy the attraction from 9 AM onwards. For those who are interested in shorter videos, do check out my shorts section. I have made a YouTube shorts video on Louvre Museum for you. I'm really not a big fan of history, but trust me, I just could not stop admiring whatever I was seeing here. We could not see the whole museum because of course it's huge. It is said that it's impossible to see the entire Louvre Museum in just one day. Considering you spend 30 seconds on each of the art piece, it would take 100 days just to see them all. Now that is interesting. One very important thing that you should keep in your mind while you're in the museum is that Mona Lisa is not all. It's very touristy and the crowd might take up a lot of your valuable time. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.